Welcome in, fam. If you're new or just passing through to my channel, welcome. My name is Tam. I'm also known as the Enlightened Auntie. If you are returning, welcome back, squad. Here today to do a general reading for the sign of Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Let's take a look to see what Spirit wants to talk about today. Keep in mind, this is general in nature. This may not resonate for every Taurus out there, and that's fine. Take what you need and throw the rest out. I may be saying you, I'm talking to them. I may say them, I'm talking to you. Put yourself in the story wherever you seem to fit. Okay. All right, so I have someone who's healing. You may have retracted your energy from a situation. You may be speaking your truth and or have spoken your truth, or speaking and walking in your truth, bringing some clarity to situations that have maybe plagued you for a long time. Could have something to do with your family and or your stability. I do have someone here that you are releasing. I feel like maybe this is you kind of closed off emotionally, but you're releasing yourself from a situation or a relationship with somebody who has been very controlling. Somebody who refuses to take responsibility for their actions. Yeah, lies. I see lies here. Lies, and it's affecting a family, see? This may have something to do with family. Family or foundation. Okay, something flip now. Yeah. So you have a situation here where you've pulled your energy back from someone who refuses to take responsibility for their actions, and most of which is because they lie. They're dishonest. They do sneaky shit in the background. And I feel like this person is and has been emotionally guarded and closed off. I also feel as though this person does not have any love for you. Has not had any love for you. Again, I'm getting strong energies of family. And maybe at one point you may have considered this person to be like, you know, everything as it relates to your stability. But I think that you finally come to terms with something and you have become willing to release it. So you are, and you're releasing it so that you can find balance and happiness again. Yeah, I think your intuition has been on point, and I think you've been, whatever came to light, whether this is by divine intervention, whether somebody came and told you something, I kind of feel like it's your intuition that showed you, once you were able to pull your energy back, you were able to see something that you may not have been able to see while you were up close and engaged in it, right? Yep. And when you release it, somebody may not have wanted the truth, some type of truth to come out, or maybe they didn't want you to see that. But as soon as you pulled your energy back, you made this revelation, and when you released it energetically, all hell broke loose. Yep. You pulled your energy all the way back. You pulled your energy all the way back, and you started to see the cracks in the foundation. You started to see the cracks in the foundation. The moon in the reverse. You start to see the cracks in the foundation. Yeah. Somebody here was manipulating the situation, and they refused to. They were using manipulation to keep you in a cycle, to just repeat the shit over and over again. Misfortune. And somebody here was using this is definitely an abuse of power. Somebody was abusing their position in your life. Could be a mother figure. this could be a mother figure or somebody who is a mother. Not a very good one, but nonetheless. But this is somebody who abuses their authority or their position in your life in order to have some kind of, you know, control over your movement. Okay, what else? This person may have also tried to throw roadblocks in your way to keep you from moving forward. Yeah, something's coming out. Okay. Now, this time, this is what's funny, because all these zodiac readings I've done almost all of them. I'm down to like the last 3 or 4. Every single reading I've done, the rider has come out. Every single reading I have done, this card has come out. Different position, but it's next to this Knight of Swords. So you definitely have somebody coming towards you, coming in quick with some news or information that's going to create a ripple effect. It's going to cause disruption, which I think is going to allow you to let the situation go if you haven't already done so. Okay. I think even pulling away may have allowed you also to heal your inner child. May have been dealing with some inner child wounds that needed to be addressed. Again, some stemming from, it could be, or this also could be related to lies stemming from your childhood. So this could be something about lies coming out about something from your childhood as well. You may find something out. Okay. There may also be something legal here, like something, you might find out about something that was done maybe illegally. Ooh, that has something to do with your family. That's a possibility. So you may be getting some information that has something to do with family. Yeah, you attracted your energy in order for you to pursue, you know, your own oneness and your own expansion to heal. All right, this girl with the snake and the phoenix keeps coming out too. Empath and narcissist paradigm, being charmed or used. Enable your boundaries. The phoenix, new phase, rekindle, renew, transformation, growth, changed mind. Yeah, because you've healed. Then we have the Grim Reaper. The relationship is over. Then we have Runner in a codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, listening to ego. And Ascending, transcending obstacles, learning, expansion, new phase, preparing for union. In the bottom of the deck, I'm looking down here at this Lover's card, because you've got somebody here who doesn't want to change, and they're hoping that you don't see something. They're hoping that you don't see beyond their facade. But it don't matter, because you've already made your choice, right? You've already made your choice. All right. Nest, an emotionally secure, loving family is important to you. Yes. So whatever this is, okay, so family is important to you. I mean, you're a Taurus, absolutely. Family is important to you. But you do have some energy that's coming towards you quickly with some information. And I think that's the information that you need that's going to allow you to release whatever this is. Wealth. Now, I have been getting energy too that like there's some incoming prosperity and abundance coming, but in order for you to obtain it, there's certain things that need to be released, right? Pen, new job or career. So maybe some of you are getting a new job or career. We love it. Goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. Uh-oh. Tiger, doing something risky, taking a chance. The month of January may be significant. Could be dealing with a Capricorn or an Aquarius. Incidentally, I have Scorpio, Pisces, Virgo, Cancer out here. Broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. Ooh, bottom of the deck, cat, a two-faced friend. Be weary of that. All right. What else? Messages for Taurus. Woo. Codependent, needs support. Failed attempt, empty victory. Someone is stuck in the past. The month of April may be significant. Could be dealing with an Aries or another Taurus. Someone is self-absorbed and possessive. Someone does not have any discipline. Someone is not taking responsibility. We said that. Somebody has money problems or poor spending habits. Spirit is saying, don't be afraid. Okay. There's a real estate investment here, so maybe that could be what this truth is about. Some type of real estate investment. You prove them wrong. Somebody is infertile, unable to birth ideas and or children. Someone says, I know you're angry with me. And someone is keeping secrets. No kidding. Taurus. Stop. Time to reconsider. Face the facts. Stop running from the truth. Self-sabotage. The cycle is finally over. You made it. Congratulations. Taurus. Maybe seeing synchronicities of 222. Independence and diplomacy. Remain balanced. Redirect your attention, focus on yourself. Release the past, move towards the future. Father healing. Free yourself, it's not your burden. Perception, see yourself and others through the lens of love, see only love. The one who chooses love wins, follow your heart. And finally, it's now or never, speak your truth. All right, Taurus, I'm going to leave it there. If any parts of this reading resonated for you or gave you clarity or confirmation on your own situation, give the video a thumbs up so that we can circulate it to those who need to see it. If you'd like to book a personal reading more aligned with your own story, all of my information can be found below in the description box, and my books are always open, all right? I love you guys. Until next time, thank you so much for your support.